Ever wonder why your team just isn't clicking? No matter how many meetings, trainings, or pep talks you've tried. Most MSP leaders think that they understand DISC, but they only know the letters. They don't know how to use DISC to actually hire smarter, align people to their strengths, or fix communication breakdowns before they destroy culture. That's exactly why CharTec built the Advanced DISC Workshop. 3-day deep dive experience designed specifically for MSP leaders who are serious about building high performing teams. And here's what makes it different. This isn't theory or a generic personality class. This workshop happens inside CharTec's own multi-million-dollar MSP, where DISC isn't just taught, it's lived every single day. You'll learn from real MSP leaders who use these tools to hire better, lead better, and communicate across every personality type. Over 3 sessions at CharTec Academy, you'll discover how to read DISC reports like a pro with no guesswork. Build strong teams by aligning people to their natural strengths, solve communication and conflict issues before they explode. And with that, you'll leave with a clear, personalized roadmap for using DISC in your MSP. But here's the catch. This workshop is limited to just 10 seats. That means hands-on attention, real feedback, and a level of interaction you'll never get in a big group. So when those 10 seats are gone, they're gone. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start leading your team with clarity, confidence, and results, join us at the next CharTec Academy for the Advanced DISC Workshop, solving your team's dysfunction.